Do you have a lot of things that require repairs? Something like, say, a watch or glasses? This tool set here is perfect. Let me show you what's inside. As you can see, all the screwdrivers are in their own respective slots. You have a spot here for your splunger and your 2 picks. You also have a spot here for your magnetizer and demagnetizer. One of the nice things about the screwdriver set is that you do have an engraving of the type of screwdriver head it is and the size. The screwdrivers do also come with these grooves here, that way when you're using them, your fingers will not slip. The screwdrivers also have a 360-degree rotation. The screwdriver rod is made of a sturdy CRV alloy steel, which is resistant to oxidation, corrosion, and rust. And they'll be able to tightly fit with the correct screws without any problems. The handle on the screwdriver is made of a PP-TPR material, which makes it more comfortable. One of the things that I like about the screwdriver set is that the screwdrivers are color coded, so I know exactly what head I'm grabbing. It also comes with precision pliers, 45-degree angle pliers, and it comes with a splunger with a pointed tip, as well as a flat tip and a small little slot so you can hook something into it. As you can see, I'm not picking this screw up with a screwdriver. All I have to do is get the screwdriver, pass it into the magnetizing side, and I'm able to pick it up. This makes putting in the screws a lot more easy. That way I don't have to worry about them falling out of the screw trying to align it into the hole. Because now I am working with my watch, I got to be careful with magnetic stuff, so I could easily just pass the screwdriver over the top, and now it is demagnetized and I don't have to worry about damaging any electronics. The quality of the screwdrivers are amazing. You see that they fit right in with the screw. There is no play whatsoever. That way you don't have to worry about stripping the screw head either. All in all, I am extremely satisfied with this tool set. I am very happy that it is part of my tools that I have now, and I look forward to continuing small projects that I have around the house. I highly recommend it.